Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable quiet mode for Instagram on Android. So we're going to go ahead and open up Instagram, and once that's open you should see a screen similar to this. We're going to go to the profile page, and once we go to the profile page we should see a menu up at the top. But for some reason, I'm not seeing that right now. There it is. So, sometimes you might have to go back and forth. That seems to be an issue that I have noticed a couple times now. So we're going to click those three lines, and then we're going to go to notifications. In notifications, you'll see quiet mode. And then in quiet mode, you'll see what your options are here. You've got your sleep mode, which you can set a start time, an end time, and choose the days, and then save that when you're done. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, comment, like, and subscribe for more helpful tips.